3, 2, 1, So funny. They just like mow down the grass. Show me your baskets.
Victory is mine! Pudding!
How many did you get?
Wait, I found it in the tree. We're dyeing eggs for tomorrow because tomorrow's Easter.
Do your eggs. What are you trying to do on there?
I'm trying to glue these little things. Can I eat an egg?
Sure, which one?
I want to eat this yellow one.
Okay.
See, it's yellow. How do you open it?
Crack it.
Now what?
You gotta roll it and peel the shell off. Are you doing another tie-dye one?
Yeah. Get the 5. I didn't even count. I didn't get the 5.
Let's see what you made.
I'll just try it like that. And this one. What was that? Do you know what it is?
No.
Did you hear that?
Okay, open the door.
What the heck?
What is that?
Shoes? Candy? Dad? Was that you? Whoa, yeah, here.
Yeah.
That's you that left the candy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck? What the heck? Where did you get this? That was Daddy.
Malibu, stop it.
These are awesome. Ugh. I don't like these. Thank you.
What's going on?
You gave these to us.
Happy Easter, guys.
Thank you.
Because we're not doing Easter baskets in the morning because we gotta go to church early.
Yeah.
Those are some cool shoes.
Yeah, they are. I like their pink ones. I'm going to do
Those are awesome, huh?
Yeah, I'm going when we're playing outside. From the store. These are Easter baskets. They're our shoes. A brand new
No, put your sock on, please.
What the heck? These are good.
What do they taste like?
Tobacco.
Wrappers.
Are we the greatest parents for giving you candy cigarettes?
Yeah. Where'd you get these?
The candy store.